Red velvet cupcakes. These are the following ingredients: 3/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of water, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 3 pieces of whole eggs, and 400 grams of Decadence Cake mix. In a medium bowl, place 400 grams of Decadence Cake mix, which we can bought now in a leading supermarket. Mix and combined with 3 pieces of eggs, oil and water. Beat until well blended. Pour in a paper cups. Then, put in a 160 degrees Celsius preheated oven at 15 to 17 minutes. And done. Next, for the buttercream frosting, here are the following ingredients: a half cup of salted butter and a half cup of unsalted butter, 1 can of cold condensed milk, and a half tablespoon of vanilla essence. In a bowl, whisk softened a half cup of salted butter and a half cup of unsalted butter. Beat until tiffed. Then, pour 1 can of cold condensed milk and beat well till light and fluffy. Add a half tablespoon of vanilla essence. Done. Put at the top of the cupcakes, and you can add optional toppings of cherries and chocolate flakes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.